Ruhonge rwa wendia wa ndawa rwa KEMSA rukoretwo githiururi-ini kinene kia ungumania wa mamirioni ma mbeca na rukoretwo rukiorotwo ni wanangiki munene wa kigina kia muingi.
759 employees as
Muthurimi wa mathabu ma mahuthiro ma thirikari akoretwo agithurima ndeto ino igikura kwa mbeca ruhonge-ini ruru, na thutha wa uthurimi uyu riboti yonanitie ati KEMSA ni yathire hathara ya makiria ma ciringi mirioni 150 mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2017-2018 thutha wa ndawa ciaguritwo na mbeca ici guthuka na igithukangio kuringana na watho wigie ndawa. Kurumirira riboti ino murugamiriri munene wa ihinda wa KEMSA Andrew Mulwa hamwe na maabitha angi a KEMSA mauma mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie woigithia gucokia ciuria ciigie ndeto ino. Kamiti ino ikiuga kwaya gukorwo ino ni imwe ya njira iria ikoretwo ikihuthika gutabania ungumania kuona na miaka iria irumirire mbeca nyingi no ikoretwo ikiura.
We agree that there were commodities that expired in our warehouses, and the expiries were driven by one, KEMSA's business model is a pool system where counties and other public health and faith-based facilities determine what they require and buy the same. After devolution, the entire public health supply chain system moved from push to pull, and some commodities attracted little or no demand from these facilities. Over time, these commodities exhausted their shelf life.
Kamiti ino ni yendire kumenya gitumi kia ruhonge ruru kugura ndawa ici ciothe na kana ni mambite gutabanio thuthuria ni ndawa iriku irabatarania, kuria ruhonge ruru rwiteteire rukiuga ndawa ici ikigurwo uhoro wigie ugima wa mwiri waramatagwo ni thirikari nene mbere ya utamburukia wa mahinya.
Why did you have to buy this product, these drugs? Who is your economist that does the procurement planning?
Responsibility of commodity management was transferred to the county governments. However, within the transition, it meant that there were commodities that had been secured under the old arrangement.
Na ciigie migunda iria ibatie gukorwo iri rungu rwa thirikari kuhitukira KEMSA, kamiti ino ni yathite ruhonge ruru gutigirira migunda ino yothe ni yauma moko-ini ma andu kiumbe na ikorwo iri rungu rwa thirikari.
But we have made a lot of progress in terms of the land getting titled. Was mainly most of it is the cadastral survey, which has already been undertaken. We are awaiting the reports.
Oho, KEMSA ni yugite mamo ma mathina maria makoretwo namo ni kumana na mathire ma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, na oho county ta Kisumu iria iri na thire wa makiria ma miaka 10 mihituku wa ciringi mirioni 35.
Are we losing money? Yes, we are, Chair, because we have an arrangement with all our financial partners, that's the banks, that every shilling that hits a KEMSA account and stays there for a day, it has to earn interest.
Riboti ya uthurimi wa mathabu maya megie KEMSA ni uthurimi wa miaka 5 kuria kigina kia muingi gikoretwo gikiura na thirikari ikoretwo igitabania mogaruruku matiganite ruhonge-ini ruru hatari kihonia. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.